Hi guys, it's Julie with Enhanced by Julie, and today I received something in the mail. This is my Makeup for Melanin Girls glitter palette. I have been seeing this palette for the longest time on Instagram and on Facebook, and I decided to go ahead and give in and purchase this palette. And let me tell you, that is one of the best decisions that I've ever made. If you understand, loose glitter can be very messy, very messy, and it just gets all over the place. With this palette, it has no fallout whatsoever. It comes in all of these. Let me show you all the colors. This is a big palette, and the pans are big, and you get a lot for your money. I don't know if my lighting is doing this any justice, but this palette is, I love it. Oh my gosh, I love it. This palette was $39. I did use a coupon code, and I believe I got either 10 or 20% off. I'm not sure, but with shipping and handling on top of the $39 plus my coupon, I ended up paying like $36 for this palette. This was money well spent. I know I'm going to use this palette a lot, especially since prom season is coming up. I know those girls like to be flashy and everything. So if you stay tuned, you can see how I created this look. I went glitter crazy. Glitter crazy. I just wanted to apply it and just to see how it will work. As you can see right here, I did a few swatches on my arm. I don't know if this is showing or doing any justice, but these are the swatches that I did. This palette is amazing. I'm very impressed with this purchase. So if you want to see how I got this look, stay tuned. Okay, let me stop with the glitter because I can play in this palette all day long.